guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be checking out the NFT puzzle project, and as you can see on the homepage we have as always home features, about, roadmap, FAQ, partner, and of course white paper. So yeah, from the beginning let's check buy on PuzzleSwap. And here we have the PuzzleSwap, which is an exchange platform where you can buy and sell all BEP20 tokens easily and quickly. And of course you can connect your wallet, trade now. So yeah, let's check buy on Pancake. And here you have every information you may want to have, and the liquidity, the volume 24 hours, and the volume for 7 days. Of course the transactions 24 hours, which is 9. Here we have the pulse and the transactions. And as you may know, you can connect your wallet here and choose your language, for example. And here you have every information you may want to know. So yeah, let's come back to the homepage and let's check the leaf chart. And here you have informations about the tokens, and this is really important chart. So let's check the features. They have 100% of liquidity locked, Reynolds ownership. The tokenomics is 2% redistributed, 1% burn, 4% marketing, and 3% development, and the slippage is 8% between 12%, and of course the awards is special airdrops. It's really nice. And you may wondering what exactly is that project, and here you have more information about that. NFT Puzzle brings the classic puzzle structure to the blockchain network. You can catch the advantages by having puzzle collections that will be published regularly every month. Remember that a puzzle this is missing, a single piece always needs the last piece, and this last piece is always the most valuable. Yeah, of course, this is really nice information and interesting. And they support the application and elements. They consider it our first priority to support our NFT puzzle collections at every stage your collections. They make your investment strong and consistent with marketplace, swap, and maintaining structures. So yeah, it's maybe really important information for you. And the NFT Puzzle Marketplace is a trusted marketplace where digital artists can sell their NFT designs, and the commission burning is 20% of the commissions received for each transaction, and the made of the marketplace will be automatically burned. Swap with NFT puzzle token. The use of NFT puzzle tokens will be mandatory for purchases. In this way, the token will be a constantly variant of strong currency, and they fast and user-friendly, and the marketplace interface is designed to be fast and convenient for users. Users will be able to create and trade NFTs in a simple way. So yeah, and of course this most valuable puzzle can be yours, and 1,000 different puzzles they have, and pieces of our collections will be unique and will differ in value. NFT items you claim will gain value based on the rarity level, and complete the puzzle and get the grand prize. Of course, you have to know what is PuzzleSwap, and this is an exchange platform where you can buy and sell all BEP20 tokens easily and quickly. They have secure, anonymous, and fast. And here you have information about how to buy that. You have to create your wallet, open your wallet and select NFT puzzle, and of course swap BNB for NFT puzzle. So yeah, you can here check more information and buy it now. And the step 3 is of course click to the swap button at the bottom. Ensure that the slippage is at 12%, and that smart chain is the top slot, and that NFT puzzle is in the bottom slot. Just click swap. So yeah, it's really easy. Here we have the roadmap, and this means they have plans for the future. And 2021 November. They have done the website published, they white paper published, contract created, contract verified, listing on PancakeSwap, manual burn, listing on the Concipero, listing on Freshcoin, and the last list of to do is NFT Marketplace V1, NFT Puzzle Audit, listing on CoinGecko, marketing planning, Google Ads, and manual burn, and of course more. So yeah, let's know more about that project. And here we have the frequently asked questions. And what is NFT Puzzle token? Of course, you may wondering about that. NFT Puzzle runs on the BEP20 network. It offers its users a marketplace and swap project. It aims to provide passive income to holders with NFT collections to be created. It also gives you 2% NFT puzzle per transaction. It's really important for you, I think. And why blockchain? Why you can choose a blockchain? It is decentralized exchange protocol based on Binance. The Binance Smart Chain does not need any internal dependencies to work. That's why we are happy to be a part of the decentralized system. And you have to know what is your slippage rate and commission. Of course, it is 8% between 12%. So yeah, they published on PancakeSwap, PuCoin, for example, Dex, Nomics, and of course more. And they coming soon on that website. And of course you have to join their community on Twitter, on Telegram, on Discord, and more. So yeah, let's come back to the homepage and maybe check the white paper. I think there you can find really nice information and interesting. Yeah, here we have information about NFT Puzzle, what exactly it is, about Marketplace, and what is non-fungible token, NFT Marketplace, NFT artists, how it works, tokenomics, NFT Puzzle, token distribution, of course, the roadmap, and yeah. So are you ready for that project? I think yes. For me it's really nice project and interesting. And of course let me know what do you think about that project in comments. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. And this content is only for educational purposes. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!